these paintings. Beautiful here. Wow, sweet. Border. No, I like this mudguard. Look at this mudguard. An advertising as well as a nice little. What a way to do things, right? Fantastic. It's a mudguard and an advertising for a royal building there in London. Food place there. The famous Abuja telecommunication building. It's very famous. This is a unique building designed here in Abuja. Architectural marvel, according to the Traveler's Guide. And good afternoon, sir. And yeah, there we have it. This is very interesting, don't you think? It's a very interesting building. I like this tow truck. Look at this. Beautiful. National Universities Commission, Thought and Service. This is where all should happen. Thought and universities. Hello.
Hi.
How lovely. Thank you. Oh, it's incredible balance, I should say. And he was actually texting, and I saw a lady in Chile, Santiago, the other day. She was texting whilst the stuff on the head. We just walked in to the church, right through these security gates here, and all the way to the front. I was invited. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you so much. The security here said, please do. And how wonderful. It was drizzling and rain, and then suddenly the rain and Nigerian National Merit Awards, and I was wow, what a powerful place. What a powerful place. Wow. Wow is the only word. Traditions. The beautiful cars, big cars, they all get washed. And I'm walking down the street, and check this out. Oh my goodness. There you go. Unity and faith, peace and progress. Uncle Paul, what are you going to do to me here in Nigeria? I'm hidden in the forest, so far away. I haven't heard from you for some long. Hey, hello, how are you? I haven't heard from you for so long. Look at how murky and gloomy it is, right? Amazing. Film shoot over there. There you go. It's a federal court there. The National Mosque is over there. A beautiful hotel tower over there. Wow. It's straight ahead. The National Mosque straight ahead, and then the National Church is opposite the mosque. look at the sheep. There we go, folks. Walking and walking. That's almost like Zuma Rock. But this is in Abuja. Zuma Rock is actually in another state. And it's beautiful. The National Shrine of Lake Abuja. Mosque of Abuja, Lagos. National Mosque and National Shrine over there. Wow, that's the National Mosque. National Shrine. Incredible. The church is going to be closed, right? There you go, folks. Beautiful. Look where you're walking, folks. Look at this. What? Walking down this pavement, okay? For some reason, they've taken the manhole cover off to sell it because it's made of steel. Every manhole cover is off. Look, should have been a manhole cover there, but it's taken off, and it's the same across the entire city. And it's, if you don't keep your eyes open, it's almost like a black hole. You could go deep. Hey, it's China Aid. Look at this lady. Wow. Amazing balance, folks. Amazing balance. I could go in luxury air-conditioned tinted glasses with a escort, or should I walk with the people of this land? Wonderfully, graciously, and beautifully, isn't it?